Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So this video is about how to make your TikTok account not private. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. First, open your TikTok account. Tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner of your screen. And now tap on the three-dash menu icon given at the top right corner of your screen. And go to Settings and Privacy. And then go to Privacy option. Now here, you can see this option, Private Account. Right now, this option is enabled. So to make your account not private, just turn this option off. These options will pop up in your screen. Now confirm that you want to switch your account from private account to public account and tap on switch. And now your account has been switched to public account. So this is how you convert your account on TikTok to not private one. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.